Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be walking you through how to create an account in Replit. So for you to be able to create an account in Replit, here's a simple trick and straightforward guide for that. So the first thing to do is to go to Replit website. So visit Replit website on your browser, then click on sign up. So on the home page you have to click the sign up button at the top right corner. Then you can create an account using your Google, GitHub, Apple or email. Choose your preferred option as available. Then if you want to sign up with an email, check your inbox for verification link from Replit and click it to confirm your account. Then enter the unique username with this appear on your profile and share your project. Add a profile picture and a short bio if you want to personalize your account, and also you can start a new project with Replit. So click the plus button to create or new Replit to start coding in your favorite programming language, and that's how you can easily create an account in Replit. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.